Hey everyone, welcome back to my vlog. You all remember Derek. So I have him here because I need his point of view, your perspective.
Sure. Point of view.
Of the seizures I've been having. 3 days?
2 days.
2 days, for the past 2 days. I'm not having a lot, they're just really long. I just wanted him to kind of explain and describe the differences, I guess. Before these seizures, my seizures before were very violent and short.
You shook a lot, and they were short because the basal. I'd never really, they were like 5-10 seconds because I was quick with the basal and you would stop. These new ones wouldn't. The basal doesn't help. It doesn't do anything. Basically just have to roll you over and it lasts, I don't know, anywhere from a minute to 2 minutes. But then you don't have any more for like hours, and then like last night you only had the one when we got home.
Yeah.
And that was it.
Yeah.
And you don't shake or anything. Your hands kind of just lock up. Your hands just sort of lock up and they kind of shake, and then like your fingers bend in. I don't know, it hurts my hands to watch yours, but but they get really stiff, and you sort of shake a little, and you almost look scared, like your face looks like you've seen a ghost or something. Like you look like you're awake, but you're not.
Okay.
Like you look scared, like horror on your face.
Yeah.
And then like last night you rolled over yourself. Like normally I have to roll you over if you can't breathe. Like
was I asleep having the seizure?
No, I don't think so.
Okay.
I went outside and watched like literally a 5-minute YouTube video, and I came back in and you had the iPad to the side and you were just like frozen. And it lasted about a minute, and the basal didn't do anything.
Yeah.
But then your other ones, the basal does, especially with the chapstick one.
Yeah, so I haven't even mentioned that. So my sister-in-law Alina, she the one that does DoTERRA, she made me this contraption where it's like chapstick, but it's
infused with basil.
Infused with basil. So like, I don't know, we had to like cook it up and stuff and put like beeswax and that other thing.
Yeah.
Other thing that goes in chapstick.
I don't know.
Into it, and then we put the basil. So she made me chapstick, but Derek just puts it like right above my upper lip.
That way she can smell it, because usually it'll stop her seizure the second she smells it. I mean, it doesn't keep them away, unfortunately, but it at least stops you in that moment.
Yeah.
All in all, I feel like this last week has been a lot better than last week. I know you're still having seizures technically, but you went 2 days seizure free. It just doesn't seem as severe this week. And I hate to say that because it's not fun, I know, but just compared to last week, it seems better this week. But I don't know. That's just my point of view on it.
And then I also haven't mentioned this, but I got an appointment with the Epilepsy Specialist in San Francisco. The appointment's in May. But I do have an appointment. Which is good. Derek and my mom are going to go with me. What are some of the questions we should ask?
I don't know. Just if they have any. That's where you were diagnosed with the PNES.
Yeah.
Maybe they have an idea. It's been, 2 years? Maybe there's something new we could learn. I don't know, because whatever we're doing is not exactly stopping it.
This Wednesday, in 3 days, I'm seeing my primary doctor and then also my counselor. So I'm gonna be telling them, the changes in the seizures, and I don't know, I kind of want to get another MRI done.
Yeah.
Because I haven't had one since I was 16. I'm 24.
Yeah, things can change, and I think we should ask him about trying to find another neurologist.
The one that I was seeing
take
when I was diagnosed with PNES, I actually called a couple weeks ago to see if I can get in to see him, and they told me that he's all private now. Like, he doesn't take my insurance at all, so see if maybe there's one like down in the valley or something. Yeah. Like the Modesto area.
Couldn't hurt.
Yeah.
I want to find someone who actually cares.
Yeah.
So hopefully we can.
Alright, so that's all for this video.
Short and sweet.
Yeah, short and sweet. I'll keep you guys updated. I'll let you know how Wednesday goes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you all next time.